It gives me immense pleasure to moderate and chair this session. I'm Dr. Santwana Vernikar, the founder and the chief trainer of Q Team India. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our chairman of the diagnostic division, Dr. Seema Bhargav, who's the chairperson and the senior consultant at Gangaram Hospital since 1992. She has to her credit the research on homocysteine, which has resulted in the implementation of several transitional aspects at the Sir Gangaram Hospital in diagnostics and management of vascular disease. Madam has mentored several PhD and DNB scholars, and she's also on the editorial board of the Indian Journal of Clinical Biochemistry. Madam has had several executive posts at the national and international academic associations. She's a lead assessor and a technical assessor for NABL, and also a member of its technical as well as the core committees for accreditation. I welcome Dr. Seema Bhargav to inaugurate this LabCon 2021 session. Over to you, Dr. Seema.
Thank you, Dr. Santwana, for such a detailed introduction. A very good afternoon to all my esteemed colleagues. Dr. Priya Abraham, Director, ICMR Institute of Virology of Pune, Dr. Venkatesh Thupil, patron of CAHO, our CAHO core committee members, Dr. Vijay Agarwal, Dr. Lalu Joseph, Dr. Samir Mehta, Dr. Shankar, our colleagues from NABL, from the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, Dr. VK Gupta, a warm welcome to you, Dr. Anita Shweta Sinha. It is indeed a pleasure to have all of you here with us for this very first International Diagnostic Conclave on Strategic Planning in Quality Management. We are also fortunate to have NABL as well as the International Federation of Clinical Chemistry as our knowledge partners. The journey of quality is a way of life, and in its appropriate and adequate implementation lies the key to preservation of life. In the last several decades, in every sphere of life, especially the healthcare sector, there has been an enhanced drive for improved quality. The current COVID pandemic has emphasized the need for quality management and adherence to safety protocols. Attaining accreditation, therefore, is everyone's goal. CAHO was founded by our stalwarts who don't need any introduction, Dr. Girdhar Gyani, Dr. Vijay Agarwal, Dr. Alexander Thomas, Dr. Venkatesh Thupil, Dr. Sahadullah, Dr. Indra Swami, and Air Marshal Dr. Pavan Kapoor. Their aim was providing healthcare organizations a platform for deliberation, discussion, and troubleshooting, where all stakeholders share their doubts and problems, develop solutions also, where the already accredited organizations provide guidance and help to those who are working towards accreditation. The ever-growing need for structured and progressive programs for quality assurance in the diagnostic facilities resulted in CAHO envisaging a diagnostic division, a unique amalgamation of diagnostic laboratories with imaging divisions. The plan is to engage in a variety of educational and training programs, as well as certificate courses for the progress of all these diagnostic disciplines, and encourage and help diagnostic facilities to progress towards accreditation. For this, we have a very dedicated team of healthcare professionals as members of the diagnostic division, a diligent and efficient behind-the-scenes team, and mentors, Dr. Vijay, Dr. Lalu, Dr. Shankar. Without all of them, today's program would not have been possible. We are also privileged to have the support of our institutional CAHO members, CMC Vellore, Fortis Group of Hospitals, Narayana Health Group, Sir Gangaram Hospital, just to name a few. With this in mind, today's scientific sessions are focused on a variety of quality aspects being discussed by esteemed international professionals. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all.